Do you want to look cool this summer, even after the climate being this hot? Don't worry, we got you. In today's video, I'm going to share a few tips and tricks that you can style and amp up your look only with jewelry by pairing up with the existing clothing in your wardrobe. Want to know more? Keep on watching. Who are we? We are BlingBag, your one-stop destination for Bollywood-inspired and premium quality jewelry in 50+ different color options to perfectly match your outfit. Our job is to make your job easy, and let's get started with today's video. Never underestimate jewelry, because jewelry, they play an important role to totally lift up your outfit and totally change your look. Number 1, T-shirts and unique top. In summers, of course, we love to wear something which is breathable, something which is comfy. I'm sure most of us ladies, we love to prefer something tang, something sleeveless. I've got a perfect jewelry option to style with tops. So this gorgeous pair of earring is from BlingBag. You can find the product link in the description box below and check it out for yourself. Also, do not forget to check out our website, which is flashing on the screen right after this video. As you can see, this is a very perfect, very lightweight Afghan jewelry, and I really love how well it is complementing a black color. Of course, if you have a white tunic or any other tunic, you can blindly trust such Afghan jewelry which are very minimal. Number 2 are white kurtis. White kurtis are something which nobody skips in summer, especially we are more inclined towards white color in summers. So I have got a perfect jewelry option to literally lift up your very basic white kurti. As you can see right here, of course I haven't accessorized a teeny bit, but with just few jewelry pieces, you will see how the look is lifted up. Wasn't I right? See, this earring overall has literally lifted up the basic white kurti, and this gorgeous earring is from BlingBag from the Satrangi collection. We have also got multiple color options to pick, but I have picked this turquoise shade which speaks summers, and it looks very gorgeous and complements it well. Pick this turquoise shade which speaks summers, and it looks very gorgeous and complements it well. Number 3 are chokers and shirts. Continuing with the love for loose clothes and shirts which are very summer appropriate. Of course, you can also have a white shirt, but I did not have, so I have styled with a very comfy shirt here, and I have styled a choker right here which looks very beautiful. In case if you have a shirt with a long V-neck or a deep neck cut, chokers would look perfectly great. The choker in itself is just perfect and very minimal and perfect for summers. But such choker sets are perfect pieces to invest in, because you get a matching earring which you can of course style it with your white kurti or any basic tops. Talking about the next category are maxi dresses and earrings. As you can see right here, I have styled this gorgeous off-white maxi dress, but I did not want it to style any western earring, because so I got this gorgeous earring which is an oxidized earring, and I chose specifically this one because it has a minute pearl detailing going around here which really complements the work on my maxi dress and the color. I feel the whole of it makes a very perfect outfit for a beach wear. The best thing about these earrings are they are very lightweight, perfect for summers, because of course in summers you don't want something heavy irritating your ears. So these earrings, these necklaces which I've shown you in today's video, they are in perfect option. They are very lightweight, very comfortable. If you want to purchase any of them, do not forget to check out the description box. You would find all the direct product links. Not forget to accessorize the hands, because the outfit is sleeveless and we are not wearing anything on the neck. Go further with these oxidized bangles. This bangle completes the overall look and looks very pretty. that is all for today's video. I hope now you have a better clarity on summer clothing and jewelry option which can lift up your outfit and how you can look cool this summer. If you like this video, do not forget to hit thumbs up on this video, subscribe to our channel, comment and tell us your video suggestions so we can make those videos next. Follow us on our social media handles and we would see you in our next one. Bye.